Hello friends, APSC syllabus for the post of Junior Manager Instrumentation in Assam Power Generation Corporation Limited, that is Apgcl, advertised number 12 2023, dated 25 April 2023. Paper 1, Instrumentation. This paper is based on multiple choice question type, diploma course standard. Full marks is 100 and time is 2 hours. Electrical circuits. Under electrical circuits, voltage and current sources, independent, dependent, ideal and practical, VI relationships of resistor, inductor, mutual inductor and capacitor, transient analysis of RLC circuits with D, excitation, Kirchhoff's laws, mesh and nodal analysis, superposition, Thevenin-Norton maximum power transfer and reciprocity theorems. Peak average and RMS values of AC quantities, apparent active and reactive powers. Phasor analysis, impedance and admittance series and parallel resonance. Locus diagrams, realization of basic filters with R, L and C elements. One-port and two-port networks, driving point impedance and admittance, open and short circuit parameters. Under signals and systems, periodic, aperiodic and impulse signals, Laplace, Fourier and Z transforms, transfer function, frequency response of first and second order linear time, invariant systems, impulse response of systems, convolution correlation, discrete time system, impulse response, frequency response, pulse transfer function, DFT and FFT, basics of IIR and FIR filters. Under control systems, feedback principles, signal flow graphs, transient response, steady state errors, board plot, phase and gain margins, Rod and Nyquist criteria, root log C, design of lead, lag and lead lag compensators, state space representation of systems, time delay systems, mechanical, hydraulic and pneumatic system components, synchropous servo and stepper motor, servo valves on off, PPIPID, cascade feed forward and ratio controllers. Under analog electronics, characteristics and applications of diode, Zener diode, BJT, MOSFET, and small signal analysis of transistor circuits, feedback amplifiers, characteristics of operational amplifiers, application of op-amps, difference amplifier, adder, subtractor, integrator, differentiator, instrumentation amplifier, precision rectifier, active filters and other circuits, oscillators, signal generators, voltage control oscillators and phase lock loop. Under digital electronics, combinational logic circuits, minimization of Boolean functions, IC families, TTL and CMOS, arithmetic circuits, comparators, Schmidt trigger multi-vibrator sequential circuits, flip-flops, shift registers, timers and counters, sample and hold circuit multiplexer, analog to digital, successive approximation integrating flash and sigma delta and digital to analog converters, weighted R to 2R ladder and current steering logic. Characteristics of ADC and DAC, resolution, quantization, significant, bits, conversion or settling time. Basics of number systems, 8-bit microprocessor and microcontroller, applications, memory and input-output interfacing, basics of data acquisition systems. Under measurements, SI units, systematic and random errors in measurement, expression of uncertainty, accuracy and precision index, propagation of errors, PMMC, MI and dynamometer type instruments, DC potentiometer, bridges for measurement of R, L and C, Q meter, measurement of voltage, current and power in single and three-phase circuits, AC and DC current probes, through RMS meters, voltage and current scaling, transformers or timer or counter, time, phase and frequency measurements, digital or voltmeter, digital multimeter, oscilloscope, shielding and grounding. Sensors and industrial instrumentation. Under these, resistive, capacitive, inductive, piezoelectric, Hall effect sensors, and associated signal conditioning circuits. Transducers for industrial instrumentation, displacement, linear and angular, velocity, acceleration, force, torque, vibration, shock pressure, including low pressure, flow differential pressure, variable area, electromagnetic, ultrasonic, turbine, and open channel flow meters, temperature, thermocouple bolometer, RTD 3/4 wire, thermistor, pyrometer, and semiconductor, liquid level pH, conductivity, and viscosity measurement. Under communication and optical instrumentation, amplitude and frequency modulation and demodulation, Shannon sampling theorem, pulse sheaf keying for digital modulation, optical sources and detectors, LED, laser photodiode, light dependent resistor, and their characteristics, interferometer applications in metrology, basics of fiber optic sensing. And in paper 2, recruitment to the post of junior manager, electrical or mechanical IT instrumentation under Assam Power Generation Corporation Limited, advertised number 12 2023, dated 25 April 2023. General studies, this is also based on multiple choice question type. Full marks is hundreds and time is 2 hours. Subject general English. Topic is sentence completion, sentence improvement, ordering of words in a sentence, spotting errors, synonyms and antonyms, idioms and phrases, fill in the blanks and word groups, etc. Number of questions 25, marks 25. Subject number 2, general aptitude and emotional intelligence. Time and distance, series, analogy, statement, direction, verbal and non-verbal reasoning, etc. Understanding, emotional intelligence, personality and EQ, the ability model of EI, the trait model of EI, the mixed model of emotional intelligence, the bar-on model of emotional social intelligence, and the Geno's model, criticism of the theoretical foundation and measures of assessment of emotional intelligence, personality disorders, and individuals on the autism spectrum, EQ and personal relationships, emotional intelligence in a workplace, improving your emotional intelligence. Under this also number of questions will be 50, marks is 50, and in under subject that is general knowledge, topics current affairs, national and international, who, sports, books and authors, awards and honors, science, inventions and discoveries, abbreviations, important dates, etc. Number of questions 25 and marks 25.